Welcome back to Texelated, Isolated with Technology. And today we're going to take a look at the Ledger Nano S, the Ledger Nano X, and the Ledger OTG Kit cryptocurrency hardware wallets. Hold up. Before I get the video started, I need to tell you about Phantom Mode PPP bags. Get proper privacy protection for your phone or your tablet. These bags block 3G, 4G, 5G signals, GPS, Bluetooth, RFID, NFC, and EMF. I'll make sure to put the link in the description so you can check it out for yourselves. The Phantom Mode bag is simply a bag that if you have a cell phone that you're serious about your privacy, you place your phone inside this bag, which is lined with a special material that blocks all signals. So the signals that I listed earlier, it blocks all of those. As you close this bag, your phone has become invisible. Nothing can track it, nothing can see it. It's off the grid. Phantom Mode PPP bags. Check it out at the link in the description below. All right, so here we are. 2 new devices and 1 cable kit by a company called Ledger out of France. Basically a hardware wallet for your cryptocurrencies. So what that means is instead of keeping your private cryptocurrency information in the cloud, everything is stored on these little USB keys. So the benefit of that is hackers do not have access to your device, as your information is not stored online and it's stored on this device. So what are the differences between the Ledger Nano S and the Ledger Nano X? So for instance, the Nano S does not come with Bluetooth. The amount of apps that you could put on the S is 3 to 6. It has a lower screen resolution. It's smaller, it's lighter. There's no battery, so with the Nano S, you always have to have it connected to a cord or USB cable. It is also cheaper, so that's one of the benefits, and it's also one of the first devices that Ledger has come out with. So recently, they have come out with the new version called the Nano X. The Nano X is Bluetooth Wireless 5.0. You can store up to 100 crypto assets on this device. It has a higher resolution and larger screen. It's a little bigger and a little heavier. It has a built-in battery, so you don't have to keep it connected to the USB cable while you use it. All right, so that's about all the information I have about these on a surface level regarding the Ledger Nano S hardware wallets. Let's get into these boxes and see what's inside. So we'll start off with the Nano S. All right, so there it is. That's the USB key for the Nano S. All right, so it looks like these are the recovery phrases. So Ledger gives you 24 passphrase words for security reasons. If you ever lose your device or your device gets destroyed, if you get a backup device, it's going to ask you for 24 words that when you set up the initial device, it gives you. So basically it gives you 24 passphrases that you must write down, pen and paper. And if you ever need to restore your device or you've bought a new device, it's going to ask you for these 24 words. These words you must store somewhere safe. You can't let anybody see it. You can't take any pictures. You can't put it online. And that's basically it. Once these 24 passphrases are recorded on pen and paper, store it away. Don't let anybody see it. Okay, so what else is in here? USB cable. So micro USB with USB-A. This looks like a lanyard or some kind of clip to connect to the device, and a keychain ring. So this is the Ledger Nano S. As you can see, it's got a little tiny screen here. It's got 2 buttons on the top. It's got the micro USB connection here. And that's pretty much it. So that's a Ledger Nano S. So now we're going to take a look at the Ledger Nano X. This is the newest device from Ledger. Again, this one has Bluetooth capabilities, built-in battery, and can store up to 100 or more apps. So there it is, a little bigger. Let's see what else is in here. So you get the same cards for your 24 phrase recovery, and just your get started material. Looks like there's some kind of sticker as well. And it comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable for connection, which you don't need because you can connect this device via Bluetooth, unlike the Nano S, which requires the wire. So here is the Ledger OTG kit. These are basically just extra USB cables, I guess in the event that you lose or destroy your current USB cables. So here's a micro USB to USB-A cable. There you go with that. We'll have another one, micro USB to USB-C. And another, oh no, this one is USB-C to USB-C. So 3 different types of cables, 3 different kinds of purposes. And there you have it. Ledger Nano S, the Ledger Nano X, and the OTG kit with your 3 different kinds of cable. Well, thank you for joining me in the isolation chamber. This is Texelated, Isolated with Technology, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.